Hey guys, welcome to another video in which we are going to talk about most important questions of Dcet. Yes, you heard right. We are going to solve previous year question paper questions solution. Okay, the topic that we are choosing is coordinate geometry. We are going to collect all the 5 years question papers of the previous year and we are going to solve it in front of you. But we are doing this topic wise. So in this videos, we will see the one of the question paper which has appeared previous yearly, the topic coordinate geometry. We are going to take all the coordinate geometry questions from the single question paper and we are going to solve it. Okay. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel to have an update. Let's start with first question. Okay, first question of this today's video is find the centroid of a triangle formed by these three vertices. Okay. So let's solve the first question here and second question here. So first question is what? We have to find a centroid of a triangle. See, vertices are given. What are the vertices? Minus 10, 6 and 2, minus 2, and also it is given as 2, 5. We know the centroid formula. Centroid is a point, right? If you have not checked the video, we have an entire video showing how to solve a centroid. Please go and check it. Okay. So x is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 3. If you need the y value will be y1 plus y2 plus y3 divided by 3. So x1 plus x2 plus x3, this plus this plus this, minus 10 plus 2 plus 2 divided by 3, and here it will be y1, this plus this plus this, that is 6 plus minus 2 plus 5 divided by 3. So what will be a solution? So x comma y, that is centroid, or centroid will be equal to minus 10 plus 2 plus 2, that is minus 6 by 3 is minus 2 comma, and 6 minus 2 is 4, 4 plus 5 is 9, 9 by 3 is 3. So minus 2 comma 3 is a solution. They have made an entire video. Please go and check it. It is on our playlist. Okay, let's go to the second question. Equation of a straight line passing through this point and having an equal intercepts. See, for this you have to know slope intercept form, that is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. This is called slope intercept form. See here, if I draw a line, what you need to know? This is x intercept, this is y intercept. If we should substitute the value of y as 0, we'll get an x intercept. So this length is a, this length is b. They are telling they have an equal intercept, that is a equal to b. They are telling a is equal to b. So I can write it as x by a plus y by a is equal to 1. So x plus y is equal to, if I take a common and if I send it side, that will become a. We have to find a. To find a, there is a point given, that is passes through 4, minus 1. That means if I satisfy this, if I substitute this equation, it should be satisfied. So if I substitute x value as a 4 plus y value as minus 1 is equal to a value is what? 4 plus into minus is minus, so 4 minus 1 is 3. A value is 3. So the equation of a line becomes x plus y is equal to 3. Is that cool? Once the Kannada nodbidoಣ. So ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಹೇಳಿದಾನೆ equation of a straight line ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು passing through a point and having equal intercept. So intercepts ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. ಇದು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಒಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಗೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಔಟ್ ಅವರ್ one of the videos in our playlist. Okay, x by a plus y by b equal to 1. This is slope intercept form. So ನನಗೆ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, ಇದು x intercept, ಇದೇನಿದು y intercept, x value ಇದು y value. ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಎರಡು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಎ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಬಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಎ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬೈ ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ವೈ ಬೈ ಎ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1. ಸೊ ಎರಡು ಎ ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದ ಕಡೆ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ವೈ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎ. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅನ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್, ಇಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಈಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಂಗ್ ಥ್ರೂ, ದಿಸ್ ಲೈನ್ ಈಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಂಗ್ ಥ್ರೂ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ವೈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ವೈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ ಎನ್ ಎ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಸೊ ಎ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ವಾಪಸ್ ನ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ವೈ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 3. ಸಿಂಪಲ್. Okay, let's move into the next question. The equation of a line passing through the point this and parallel to this. So to find an equation of a line, we need two things. Let's solve first question here and second here. So first question is we have to find the equation of a line. A point is given. What is given? Point is given, that is 5, minus 2. We have made an entire video dedicated to how to do questions on when it's parallel to this. Please go and check it. And also point is given, and also to talk about slope, they have given equation 3x plus 2y plus 7. To find the line equation, we need a point and slope. See here, the slope of this line, it did 3, this number by this number, this number by this number. If this is a positive, you have to take negative. They have said parallel. This line is parallel to this. So this same slope will be slope for the line that we have to write. There is a slope, there is a point. So how to solve this? 3x, 3 into numerator number into x. There is a minus, we have to take positive. Denominator into y plus c equal to 0. Now in place of x and y, the given point we have to substitute. In place of x, we have to substitute 5. So 3 times 5 plus 2 times minus 2 plus c equal to 0. So I get a c value as 3 5 is 15. 15 minus 4 is 11. So c value will be minus 11. So I have to resubstitute into the equation. So 3x plus 2y minus 11 equal to 0. This is a line equation. 3x plus 2y minus 11 equal to 0. We made an entire video just dedicated to this. Please go and check it. You will have more clarity. Okay, it's just a revision kind of a thing. Okay, the distance of a point, this from origin. Okay, you have to find a distance between the point, this. There is minus 2 comma 5 from origin. Origin means what? 0 comma 0. We know the distance formula is under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So I can take this minus this or this minus this. Anything you can take. I'll take this minus this. So 0 minus of minus 2. Whenever you get a negative number, always put a bracket. Whole square plus this minus this number. So 0 minus 5 whole square. So distance will be equal to what? Minus into minus plus. So 2 square is 4 plus minus 5 square whole square is 25. That is root 29 is a distance between these 2 points. Okay, sure. As you can see, there are 2 questions. We will solve that. First question we will try. See, the coordinates of the point, we have to find a coordinate of a point. We have to find coordinate of a point which divides the line joining this and this in the ratio this and this. See here. See, there are 2 points. What are the 2 points? 8 comma 3. Let's say this is point A. I'll call this as point A and I'll call this point B. There are 2 point A and point B. Now there is another point which, let's say C, which is dividing these into ratio 2 comma 3. Why I have written C here, not here? Because they said a ratio externally. Externally means over here. The formula to find that x is equal to m into x2 minus n into x1 divided by m minus n, and y to find y, m into y2 minus n into y1 divided by m minus n. Okay, let's just take the points. What are the points? 8 comma 3 is the first point, and this point is what? Minus 5 comma 6. Okay, 2:3 is the ratio. Okay, these 2 are formula. To find x, how to find an x? M into x2. So this into this number. So 5 into minus 5. Okay, minus this into this number. So 3 times 8 divided by m minus n. This and this. M and n are these ratio. This is m, this is n. Okay, so m minus n. This minus 2, 2 minus 3. We have made an entire video. There is a second video in this DCET coordinate geometry. That's a part 2 of DCET coordinate geometry video. Please go and check it. Okay. So if I want to find y, that formula is m into y2. So this into this. So 2 into 6 is 2 times 6 minus 3 into 3. 3 times 3 divided by 2 minus 3. So what do we get x value as? X value is 3. 2 into minus 5 is minus 10 minus 10 minus 24 is minus 34. Minus 34 divided by minus 1, that is 34. Is it correct? So minus 10 minus 24, 34. And to find y value, what we have to do? 6 into 12. 12 minus 9. 12 minus 9 is how much? 12 minus 9 is 3. 3 by minus 1 is minus 3. The coordinates are 24 comma 34 comma minus 3. Okay. Let's go to the next question. What is the question? Area of a triangle with vertices, 3 vertices are given. How to solve this? To find an area, we know the formula. Half times, if I cos this, x2 minus x1 times x2 minus x3 and y2 minus y1, y2 minus y3. This is a formula. Okay, we have made again entire video on this. Please go and check it. If you just watch the video of 10 minutes, you will just do it easily. Okay, so go and check that video. So x2 minus x1, this is x2, so this minus this, so 4 minus 1, and x2 minus x3, 4 minus 5, it is done. Next go to y, so this minus this number, 6 minus 3, 6 minus 3 and 6 minus 8, 6 minus 8. So what do we get? Half times 4 minus 1 is 3, 4 minus 5 is minus 1. 6 minus 3 is 3. 6 minus 8 is minus 2. So half times, if I take 3 into minus 2 is, if I open with bracket, 3 into minus 2 is minus x. Minus of 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. Okay. So half times minus 6 plus 3 is minus 3. So what do we get? Minus 3 by 2. This is an area of a triangle formed with these 3 vertices. Is that good? Yes or no? Yes. See, don't learn the formula. We have made an entire video. Please go and check it. It's an easiest way to find the formula. That is in third video of coordinate geometry. Part 3 of a coordinate geometry. You can go to our playlist and just check that out. Okay. Okay. Let's go through this. The slope of a line making an angle 150 degree with x-axis. See here what is telling. We have to find a slope. Okay. How to find slope? The slope formula m, that is nothing but tan theta. So what is given? We have to find the tan 150 degree. Tan 150 degree is what? Tan of 180 minus 30 degree. How to solve this? We have made an entire video course on trigonometry. Please go and check it. So 180 minus 150 is somewhere here. This is 150 degree. So this lies in third quadrant. Third quadrant tan is positive. Tan will remain because of tan, because it's a complementary angle. So 30 degree. How much is tan 30? Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. The slope of a line is what? 1 by root 3. Slope of line is what? 1 by root 3. This is just simple, very simple. If you cannot know how to find this to this, please go and check our trigonometric video. Okay. The next question. Equation of a line perpendicular to this and point to this. See, to find a line equation, we have to find a line equation. To find line equation, we need two things. Slope and a point. Slope and a point. To point is already given, minus 1 comma 2, that is which is passing through. And there is another thing that is given as 2x plus 5 by minus 8 equal to 0. What they are telling, it's a perpendicular. It is what? Perpendicular. If it is a perpendicular, what is the slope of this? First thing you have to do is finding the slope of this thing. So how to find slope of this? 2 numerator divided by this number. This number by this number, if there is a plus, take negative. If it is a perpendicular, we have to reverse everything. If there is a minus, we have to take positive. And also we have to reverse this. 2 by 5 reverse is what? 5 by 2. Now we have slope, now we have point. So how to solve this? This number, phi number into x, if there is a plus, take negative. Denominator into y plus c equal to 0. Now this point passes through this. So if I substitute the point, it should become 0. So 5 times, what will be the x value? X value is minus 1. Minus 2 times, what is the y value? 2 plus c equal to 0. So 5 times minus 1 is minus 5. Minus 2 2s are 4 plus c equal to 0. Minus 5 minus 9 is how much? Minus 9 plus c equal to 0. C value is what? Plus 9. This is the value of c. So just let's take the equation. So 5x minus 2y plus 9 equal to 0. This is a line equation. Is that good? Yes, comfortable? Okay, let's see another two questions. What is given? If the points this are collinear, then we have to find the value of k. We have to find the value of k. See, this is very simple. If the points are collinear, the area created by the triangle will be equal to. We know the area of triangle is what? Half times x2 minus x1, x2 minus x3 divided by y2 minus y1, y2 minus y3. Okay. So we have made an entire video. Please go and check it. We have explained even that. So area is equal to x2. We can take this one. So this minus this. That is half times 5 minus of minus 3. This minus this. And 5 minus of minus 11. Okay. This minus this. This minus this. And again we have to catch this. 7 minus k. And we have to minus this minus this. 7 minus 1. So area will be equal to what? Half times 5 minus into minus is plus. So 5 plus 3 is 8. And minus into minus is plus. 5 plus 11 is 16. Right? 7 minus k. And 7 minus 1 is 6. How to solve this? So half times this into this. 8 6 are 48 minus this into this. So 16 times 7 minus k. Is that good? So this should be equal to 0. Okay, I can send half this side, that will just go off. So I can write 48 minus 16 times 7 minus k equal to 0. I can send this 48 this side, or I can send this side. So 48 is equal to 16 times 7 minus k. and 48 divided by 16. So 48 divided by 16 is equal to 7 minus k. So I can solve this as 4 4s are 4 1s and 4 2s, 4 1s are 4 3s are. So 3 is equal to 7 minus k. So k value is nothing but if I can send this side, this and this side. So 7 minus 3, that is equal to 4. What is the k value? K is equal to 4. Is it simple? Yeah, I have made an entire video. Just go and check out a 5 or 6 minutes video. You will just get a more clarity on how it is exists. Okay. So let's go to the next question. There are 3 vertices of a triangle. This. We have to find centroid. To find centroid, we have to know the formula. The formula is x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 3. And y is nothing but y1 plus y2 plus y3 divided by 3. Okay. And to find z, because z is given because there are 3 vertices, right? X, y, z. So z also we have to find z1 plus z2 plus z3 divided by 3. Okay. So x1 plus x2 plus this plus this plus this. So minus 2 plus of minus 1 plus of minus 6. This plus this plus this divided by 3. And to find y value, this plus this plus this, that is 3 plus 4 plus 5 divided by 3. And also z values, this plus this plus this, that is 1 plus 2 plus 2 divided by 3. So if I just calculate that, what will be x value? Minus 2 minus 1 minus 6, that is minus 7 minus 9. So minus 9 by 3. So minus 9 by 3. And what will be the y value? Y value is this. So 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 5, 12. 12 by 3. And also z value. What is the z value? 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 1 is 5 by 3. So x is equal to 3 1s, 3 3s. So minus 3. And y is equal to 3 1s, 3 4s. That is x4. And z value is 5 by 3. I can write this coordinate as minus 3 comma 4 comma 5 over 3. These are x, y and z coordinates. Okay. Hey guys, if you like the way that we teach, please support us by liking this video and subscribing to this channel. And don't forget to comment your doubts in the comment section so that we can cover all those doubts in the next video. And don't forget to check out our entire video course. The link is in the description. And please share this video with your friends and help them as well. Thank you guys. All the best.